Welcome to our channel on Civil Engineering Easy. In this video, we are going to dive into important concept of duty in irrigation engineering. This term is crucial in understanding how to design and operate irrigation systems. By the end of this video, you will have a good understanding about duty, why duty is important, how we calculate the duty, mathematical formula for the duty, and how it is used in irrigation engineering. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you will not miss any future video on irrigation engineering. Now let's come towards the topic duty. In irrigation engineering, duty refers to the amount of water that is required to be supplied to a given area of a land in a specific time period, usually measured in cubic meter per hectare per day. Now, why duty is important? Duty is an important parameter in the design and operation of irrigation system because it helps to determine the amount of water that is required for a specific crop and the size of the irrigation system that is needed to supply that water. How do we calculate the duty? Duty is typically calculated based on the crop water requirements, which are determined by the factors such as crop type, climate, and soil conditions. The crop water requirements is the amount of water that a crop needs to grow and produce a yield, and it is usually measured in millimeters per day or month. Now, what is the mathematical formula to calculate the duty? Duty can be calculated using the following formula, that is, the duty is equal to crop water requirement multiplied by the area of the field divided by time. For more details and visual explanation of this concept, be sure to check out my next video on YouTube where I will provide a step-by-step explanation of how to calculate duty and show you how to use it to design and operate irrigation systems. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos on irrigation engineering and other related topics. Thanks for watching.